The 2026 Hyundai Santa Cruz brings back its unique blend of SUV comfort and pickup utility, offering a compact truck that's easy to drive in the city while still being useful for weekend adventures. With updated tech, strong engine options, and a versatile cargo bed, it's designed for people who want extra capability without moving up to a full-size truck. Under the hood, the 2026 Santa Cruz offers two engine choices. The base 2.5-liter four-cylinder delivers around 191 horsepower, which is enough for daily commuting and light hauling. For drivers who need more power, the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine produces about 281 horsepower and delivers stronger acceleration and towing ability. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, the Santa Cruz drives more like a smooth, refined crossover than a traditional truck. When properly equipped, it can tow up to 5,000 pounds, making it capable enough for trailers, small campers, and outdoor gear. The exterior design continues to mix modern SUV styling with functional pickup features. The front end looks sleek and contemporary, with sharp LED lighting and bold lines, while the rear features a practical 4-foot bed. Hyundai includes smart touches such as integrated tie-downs, an underbed storage compartment, and an available lockable tonneau cover, giving the Santa Cruz more versatility than its small size suggests. Its compact dimensions also make it easier to park, maneuver, and live with in crowded city environments compared to larger trucks.
Inside, the 2026 Santa Cruz offers a cabin that feels more premium than most compact pickups. The layout is clean and modern, featuring a large touchscreen, digital displays, and comfortable seating for 5 passengers. Higher trims add a 12.3-inch infotainment system, wireless smartphone connectivity, multiple USB-C ports, and upgraded materials that enhance the overall cabin feel. The ride is quieter and smoother than typical trucks thanks to its unibody construction. Hyundai also equips the Santa Cruz with a strong suite of safety features, including forward collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and more, making it practical for families and daily use. Pricing for the 2026 Santa Cruz remains competitive, with the base model offering good value for buyers who want versatility without the cost of a traditional pickup. Stepping up to higher trims or the turbo engine adds more capability, tech features, and towing power, while still keeping the truck affordable for most buyers. Overall, the Santa Cruz delivers a compelling mix of comfort, utility, and flexibility, making it ideal for drivers who want an SUV-like experience with the added benefit of a useful truck bed.